So you just drop a video on YouTube, you spent hours editing, picked a cool soundtrack, even added subtitles, you hit publish and refresh every 5 minutes like this one go blow, I swear. YouTube better no play with me today. Then the worst happens, 12 views, 1 like, and that 1 like is from that your friend that promised to help your algorithm, and 0 comments. And the first thing that comes to your mind is YouTube just hates small creators. The algorithm is against me. Fam, relax. The YouTube algorithm is not your village people. It's not wicked. It's not sitting in a dark corner somewhere saying abracadabra, oh yeah, hide this guy's video. Truth is, the YouTube algorithm is not your enemy. You just don't understand it yet. And today, I want to break it all down in plain Naija English so you will understand. Let's bust the myth and finally explain how this so-called algorithm actually work, so you can work with it, not against it. Before we go into the technical side, let's clear out some popular myths flying around like mosquitoes on a rainy day. Myth 1, YouTube hates small creators. That is false. YouTube doesn't even know your channel is small. It only knows your content and how people interact with it. If you drop fire and people are clicking, watching and engaging, just like that, YouTube starts showing it to more people. Myth number 2, shadow ban. This one has made people pack their bags and quit YouTube. Yes, there's no such thing as shadow banning on YouTube like you hear on Instagram or TikTok. If your video isn't getting views, it's not hidden. It just means the click-through rate or watch time is low. We'll talk about that in a minute. Myth number 3, YouTube only promotes popular YouTubers. Omo, live from Pete. Many new creators have had their second, third or 10th video blow because YouTube saw people enjoy it, not just because they were already famous. The algorithm is built to follow the audience, not status. So instead of fighting YouTube in your mind, how about we understand how it actually works? The algorithm is simply a smart recommendation engine. Its job is to give each viewers what they are most likely going to enjoy next. So that's it. It's not about you, it's about the viewer. So when you post a video, YouTube watches how people react to it. 2 things it pays extra attention to: click-through rate, which is CTR, and average view duration, which is AVD. So let's break it down small. Starting with click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who see your video and actually click on it. So if YouTube shows your thumbnail and title to 100 people and 7 click on it, that's a 7% click-through rate. Decent, right? What affects click-through rate is your thumbnail and title. If they are boring or confusing, people will scroll past them. YouTube sees that and say, maybe people don't really like this topic. Now let's talk about average view duration, which is AVD. This is how long on average people stay watching your video. So let's say your video is 10 minutes, but people are only watching for 2 minutes before clicking away. YouTube sees that and says, no, this one no dey hold attention. Let's stop recommending it. But if people are watching to the end, or at least staying past halfway, YouTube will be like, hey, people they enjoy this, and they start pushing it to more people. It's as simple as that. No juju, just attention plus retention. Now that we have exposed the algorithm's real face, here's the smart thing to do. Instead of chasing views like a testy X, chase engagement, chase clarity, chase watch time. You don't need a fancy camera or Lagos Island studio. You just need a clear hook, a strong message, and the ability to keep someone watching. When planning your video, you need to ask yourself some questions. Why should someone click on this title? What problem am I solving? How can I make the first 30 seconds more interesting? What can I show, say, or tease to make them stay longer? Don't just talk because camera dey on. Talk because you have something they need to hear, and say it in a way that respects their time. You are not alone in this. You've got to help you play the YouTube game smartly, not hard. Let's start with the YouTube Studio Analytics. Please, and I say this with love, stop ignoring your analytics. Open it, check your CTR, your average view duration, where people drop off in your video, which video performs best. It's like having cheat code. Don't post blindly. Number 2, TubeBuddy. This tool helps you research better titles, see what's trending in your niche, and even compare your video SEO with others. There's a free version, so no excuse. Number 3, vidIQ. Another strong tool that helps you spy on competitors legally, find high-performing tags, and get content ideas that are in demand. Number 4, ChatGPT. Yes, it's on the list. Use it to brainstorm hook ideas, write titles that slap, create engaging scripts, or even analyze your niche. It doesn't get tired. These tools will give you edge, reduce guesswork, and make you feel more in control of your growth. Let me be real with you. Most people quit YouTube not because their content was bad, but because they didn't understand how success happens on this platform. They post 3 videos and doesn't blow and they go, "This algorithm is weak, I'm done." Meanwhile, they never fix their title, they never check their analytics, they never improve their retention. YouTube is not luck, it's skill and strategy and consistency. Your job isn't to go viral, your job is to become undeniable. If you keep showing up, improving small and learning from what actually works, the algorithm will find you, because YouTube is always watching, not to punish but to promote. You just have to give it the right signals. If all of this still feels overwhelming, or you just want someone to guide you and help you improve your channel faster, I run a free YouTube mentorship group. It's not a sales pitch or hustle, it's just a space where creators like you get real feedback, access to free channel audit, tips on improving your content, and small encouragement when you feel like giving up. So no forming, just creators helping creators. If you want in, click the link right in the description down below. Nothing formal, just growth vibe. So the next time your video doesn't get views, don't say YouTube hates me. Instead, say, "Okay, what's my CTR saying? Where did viewers drop off? Was my hook strong enough? Did I really give value?" YouTube is not your enemy. In fact, it wants to help you win, but you've got to stop treating it like a magician and start treating it like a smart machine that reward effort and engagement. If this video help you understand the algorithm better, I beg, show love, like, drop a comment, even if it just na me be the 7th view, and subscribe for more real talk like this. And tell me in the comment section, what's one thing you always thought about the YouTube algorithm that you now realize was actually false? Let's shake the table and break the table together. Till next time, keep creating, keep learning, and always keep it real. Peace out.